What if you could watch a brief video while pressing a button to earn $5? What if you could do nothing more than like or comment on videos to earn $1 more? What if you could complete all of these simple chores on your smartphone, spending just a few minutes per day to consistently make money online? Cash withdrawal options include Paytm, PayPal, cryptocurrencies, and bank transfers, among others. I'll show you how to register for a free account on this brand new website that nobody else has heard of. And if you stick with me, I'll give you a bonus that will let you get paid $50 extra per day without completing any work. Let's watch the video now. This will be a brand new website that nobody else is talking about, so pay close attention. You may reach the website which goes by the name Paid Work. You can first browse through various websites, watch various videos, and watch advertising. The second option is to simply like and share videos on social media to make money. Moving on to strategy number 3, we can conduct a few straightforward surveys. You can create a brand new account that's straightforward and cost-free and sign up to obtain bonus cash. Be sure to take advantage of the special bonus and surprise. On any device, whether your phone, computer, or tablet, you may do it and start making money online, as you can see here on the home page. You can rest assured that this is readily available and doesn't demand any kind of investment. So, to reiterate, this is essentially how it functions. There are many various ways to generate money on this website, therefore step 1 is to choose a technique of earning. The second stage is to start executing the orders, the third is to begin working on the assignments you are given, and the fourth is for them to deliver you the payment once you cross a specific threshold. You can now receive payments every single day within 24 hours thanks to this brand new website. Click the sign up icon up top to create a free account. You will reach this page after doing so. By entering your email address and password, then click the Next button, you can access your brand new account. You may view your estimator's earnings on your dashboard. You will first notice a balance of $0 because this is a brand new account and you haven't yet completed any tasks. Don't worry, though, as soon as you start making money, it will show up on your dashboard. Make sure you first validate your email address by continuing. Then, please click this Earn button over here on the left. By doing this, you will be directed to a page where you can choose from several approaches. You can then start surfing various advertising to start making money. As you can see below, if you click the Earn button, a new window will open. Don't worry, you can do this on a computer or a mobile device once more. You must now look through this page until the timer beeps, as you can see. It won't take long to finish this. Simply browsing this website will demonstrate that you are a real person, not a robot. Don't just stay on the page. That's it for the video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up.